Соединение со спутниками установлено.
This is the third camera, the image from the third camera, and this is the back camera, this is the front camera. And double click the picture and it will display in the full screen. This picture is from the front camera. This is the back camera. You can see back camera is the AHD rear camera. Let us check the third cam. And the third cam is also can be recorded on the micro SD card. It can support the max micro SD card 128G. Where is the camera you will see, and it is here. Maybe you cannot see clearly, and if we hide it, and you can see there is no image from it. No, there is. This is Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. You can use it as Wi-Fi spot, Wi-Fi hotspot, and also this camera can connect to other Wi-Fi spot from your home router or other device. Setup. Let FM transmitter. It is not the FM radio function. Please note that. When we open this function and there is not any sound from this camera video, you can play the video on the camera. This is the front back. APP. Let us check the setup. This camera supports the low voltage production function. You can set the number. Back camera mirror display, you need to check this. This is the firmware version storage. This car camera, its RAM is 32G and its ROM is 2G. Different from a special feature, different from other mirror car camera in the market. It will run more smoothly, and its operation system is Android 5.